Hello friends, welcome to Savaji. Today we are going to learn rose lassi recipe. So summer is coming near and now it's a time to prepare so many cool recipes at home, and in that today we are going to learn rose lassi. And to all foodies, very happy Mahashivaratri today. You will be on fasting, so just learn how to prepare this lassi and enjoy today. This is a cooling beverage made with fresh yogurt, rose petals and rose syrup. And lassi is very popular in North India during summers, and there are many variations of it, and rose lassi is one such variation. And in this lassi recipe, both the rose syrup and yogurt are cooling. You can add rose syrup in milk or faluda also, and I suggest to use homemade fresh curd to make this lassi. Now we'll see how to prepare this. Ingredients are: take 1.5 cups of fresh curd, that is dahi or yogurt, 1 cup chilled water or half cup water plus 6 to 8 ice cubes, and 10 to 12 dried rose petals or 5 to 6 fresh edible rose petals. Whatever available you can use them. And then 1 to 2 tablespoon rose water, and 3 tablespoon rose syrup. It will be available in markets. And 2 to 3 tablespoon sugar are add as required. And 1 tablespoon chopped or sliced dry fruits like pista, almonds or cashews. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Take 1.5 cups of fresh chilled curd in a mixer or a blender jar. Now add 1 cup chilled water, 10 to 12 dried rose petals or 5 to 6 fresh rose petals, 1 tablespoon rose water and 3 tablespoon rose syrup. And here we have not added ice cubes, hence added 1 cup chilled water. If adding ice cubes, then add half cup water. The dried rose petals, we can prepare, dry them in shade, and then you can add to your kids or the sweets which you prepare. And after that, blend everything till smooth and till the lassi becomes frothy. And you can make the lassi thick or thin by adjusting the amount of water. And instead of water, you can also add milk or half of water and milk, whatever way you like. And in other process, take curd and sugar and a pinch of salt in a cup. Now add 10 to 12 dried rose petals or 5 to 6 fresh rose petals, and 1 tablespoon rose water, 3 tablespoon rose syrup. Now mix well all these ingredients with a spoon and take into blender. Add ice cubes and a little water or milk. Blend for 2 minutes. Now it's ready. Pour in glasses and serve rose lassi with some sliced or chopped dry fruits like almonds, pista or cashews, and enjoy chilled rose lassi. So this is fragrant, refreshing and cooling lassi made with fresh curd, rose petals and rose syrup. So lassi is always refreshing, and try the rose flavored lassi next time you have a guest. And you can also add roof afza if you have at home, and if you not getting that, then you can add thick rose syrup as we have added here, and serve it in a tall glass and serve it with some crushed ice on top. And the only important thing to remember while making lassi is that this is not a dahi ka gold or chas. This is a thick drink, and using milk and not water is recommended. And good luck in the kitchen, and have a nice lassi and enjoy your summer. So this is for today. I hope you like this video, and you immediately prepare and have it today, as it is a fasting day. Keep watching my videos, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.